Good morning, everyone. Today we are working on a Markem SmartDate 5. I know it's a little outdated, but hey, some of you guys are still rocking this. So we go ahead and shut our cassette. Let's let this run. Now I did take that side plate off so we can see what's going on. And as we calibrate, we snap our ribbon. A error 1104 calibration failure. Looks like tension. Now this component right here is what adds tension to the system. And we had way too much tension when we snapped that ribbon. So now I like to also show you, so if we think about how this was assembled, it was snapping here. Now that part goes and mates with this little tensioner. So that's why it pointed me in this direction. All right, so we went ahead and swapped that out. Let's turn our unit back on, see how this one works. So after about 1,000 hours of startup time, because of this old equipment, we start to calibrate. And everything sounds great. Running through this process, I don't see any ribbon snapping anymore. Looks like we solved this problem. We got another happy customer here. Thanks, guys.